In this short tutorial, I will show you how to delete your Crunchyroll account on your mobile device. Deleting your account is a simple process that can be done in just a few steps. To get started, open up the Crunchyroll app and then make sure you are logged into the account that you want to delete. After that, tap on the account button at the bottom right corner of the screen. And then scroll down to the bottom of the page. Now you'll see a section called Privacy, and in that section you'll see an option called Delete My Account. Simply tap on it. Now, if you want to, you can read all of this text. Once you've done that, tap Continue. All you have to do next is simply tap Continue to confirm and continue the account deletion process. Keep in mind that account deletion is permanent and cannot be reversed, and you'll lose access to your account. Also, account deletion is not a subscription cancellation, and you must cancel your active premium subscription before deleting your account. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.